It seems the financial services industry is besieged by litigants, enhanced regulation, state attorneys general, not to mention the Department of Labor and FINRA. I'm betting that you're like me. You put your client's interests first. You also put your advisor's interests first. Yes, you want to grow your company's assets under management and obviously revenue, but you need to minimize the possibility, the cost and embarrassment of rogue activities, whether intended or not. I've asked a number of clients to reveal to my professional audiences what makes a good advisor, one deserving of referrals, and here's what they said.
Advice to a financial advisor, maybe a person who's just starting out in the business, what would that advice be?
Keep it simple, because too often they talk in terms I don't understand, and I have to say, what does that mean? And how does that affect my portion of this thing? And I've had people I've asked to go over an account at one time, and they went so fast, I didn't understand what they were talking about. And then you feel embarrassed to ask them to go back and why doesn't this do so-and-so?
I have friends who still second guess their advisors, who still express doubts in some cases. I think there are two forms of trust in a financial advisor. And I might wax philosophically here for a minute, but
sure.
There are two kinds of trust. One trust is you got to trust them from the standpoint of being absolutely convinced that they're honest and they have your best interests at heart. That doesn't come easily. In some cases, I know of people who have never realized that. The second part of trust is you got to have enough confidence in the skill and intelligence of your advisor to be willing to say, gee, I trust you with everything I've got, which is my financial savings and my future.
In my address to your advisors, I'll be very specific about the warnings I issue to clients in my writing and speaking on the Madoffs Among Us. I also equip your advisors with conversations, activities, and the 3-minute difference that will greatly enhance the positive client-advisor relationship so integral to success and further growth. I encourage you to fill out the attached request form to investigate if my program will benefit you, your advisors, your company, and most importantly, your clients.